Looking ahead to tomorrow's reopening of all religious places with Unlock 1.0 guidelines in place. Now, religious places including temples, churches, mosques, gurdwaras will be reopening in several states. Sanitization work and preparations are underway at various religious places, and these are being done as per guidelines issued by the Home Ministry. My colleague Sukirti joins us from Gurdwara Bangla Sahib this morning in the national capital. Sukirti, what kind of preparations do you see there, and what are Gurdwara authorities telling you?
Well, yes, we are at the Gurdwara Bangla Sahib right now. There are a bunch of people that are coming in here. Mostly all of these people are, a part of the Gurdwara staff. It's mostly them and their families that are coming here just as a sort of a trial of how everything runs over here. So firstly, there is this sanitization tunnel that you see here, new disinfectant chamber. It's written over there. This is the disinfectant chamber. People will be coming in from there. There are a lot of sevadars, as we call them. They have been deployed at different points to ensure that everybody is maintaining the kind of social distancing that should be there. So these sevadars are lined up from here till the point that goes into the main area. So everybody who's coming in here will be passing through this sanitization tunnel, and as they walk ahead, all of these sevadars here will be keeping a close eye on the fact that everybody is maintaining the right distance. As you can see, even here right now, the very few people also that are here, they are maintaining a lot of gaps and spaces between them, even as they take a tour of this main holy area of the Gurdwara. Apart from that, we'll show you two main things. Everybody that is coming here is being thermally scanned through these machines that have been placed over here. So this is one thermal scanner over here. Apart from that, there are sanitization dispensers that have been also put in at different points in the Gurdwara. So this is one thing that's been done here. Apart from that, people will have to get their own head coverings. These will not be provided by the Gurdwara anymore. Anybody who's familiar with the Bangla Sahib Gurdwara would know that there are huge baskets that are placed at these points that have a lot of these small handkerchiefs so that people can cover their heads in case they have not brought a dupatta from their house. But the Gurdwara will not be providing these anymore. People will have to bring their own head coverings. Inside, people will not be allowed to touch any of the holy books or any of the other objects that are placed here. If we could get just some voices from here, from the management here itself. Sir, प्रणाम. आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह की तैयारियां गुरुद्वारा बंगला साहिब में हो रही हैं कल से ये जो आप पूरी जनता के लिए खोलेंगे उसके लिए?
पहला तो परमात्मा का शुक्राना है कि उसने अपना घर हम सब के दर्शनों के लिए खोल दिया। इसके लिए हम सरकार का भी थैंक्स करेंगे कि उसने देर आए तो दुरुस्त आए। अगर अमेरिका में टोटल उन्होंने लॉकडाउन नहीं किया तो उन्होंने अपने लोगों को बीमारी से तो इंडिया भी नहीं बचा पाया, लेकिन भूखमरी से बचा लिया। जो त्रासदी हिंदुस्तान ने देखी है पूरे वर्ल्ड में किसी ने नहीं देखी। करोड़ा करोड़ा लोग पैदल चले हैं। तो अभी ये अच्छा फैसला है। तो इसके लिए आपने देख लिया, हमने डबल टनल वो लगा दी है सैनिटाइज करने के लिए, और कल से कम 15-20 रास्ते में सैनिटाइज की वो बोतल रखेंगे हम, ताकि लोग अपने हाथ सैनिटाइज करें, सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करेंगे। हेड कवर करने के लिए हमने बोल दिया कि हम किसी को रुमाल प्रोवाइड नहीं करेंगे, अपना स्वच्छ रुमाल, अपना दुपट्टा घर से लेके आए।
लंगर और प्रसाद का क्या सिस्टम रहेगा? प्रसाद मना किया है गृह मंत्रालय ने, लंगर के लिए उन्होंने अलाउ किया, तो ये दोनों चीज़ें का साथ में कैसे आप तालमेल बिठा के कैसे होगा ये?
देखो, प्रसाद तो मना होगा नहीं, प्रसाद तो गुरुद्वारे की मर्यादा का हिस्सा है। रही लंगर की बात, वो जो एडवाइजरी आएगी हम उसको मानेंगे। उसमें क्या है, हम जब अगर रोड पे खिला सकते हैं तो बाकी भी तो हम सारा करेंगे ना, उसका कोई वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब तो ज़रूरत इस बात की है कि जो संगत गुरुद्वारे में आए उसका बड़ा सहयोग चाहिए हमको, कि वो सारे अपने जूते गाड़ी में छोड़ के आएँ और हर जगह हाथ ना लगाएं। और हमारी तरफ से आपने देख लिया है कि हमने अपना जो स्टाफ है उसको डबल कर दिया, और हम खुश हैं कि परमात्मा के घर के सबको दर्शन होंगे, और उनकी मानसिक और शारीरिक ताकत बढ़ेगी और परमात्मा करेगा और ये कोरोना की महामारी से हम बच जाएंगे।
धन्यवाद सर हमसे बात करने के लिए। सो हियर द हेड प्रीस्ट टेलिंग अस दैट ऑल ऑफ दीज preparations have been made. He says that prasad is a part of the tradition of the Gurdwara, so they will try and do it, but in the most regulated manner possible. Langar as of now is not going to be started. It's been going on in the Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, but for the marginalized people who have been deprived of food.
Right.
So it's only for them, but not for the visitors of the Gurdwara. Over to you.
All right, thanks very much indeed. And Sukirti was also earlier at the Prachin Hanuman Mandir in Delhi to get a check on the sanitization procedures and the SOPs in place today, a day ahead of all religious places opening. Let's take a look.
We are currently standing at the renowned Hanuman temple in Connaught Place in New Delhi, and this is a temple very famous among people, very popular. This is also the place where Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal came to visit this temple as soon as he was re-elected this time. Now, as all the religious places are going to reopen from tomorrow, this temple has also taken all the measures that are necessary. Firstly, there are these floor markings that you see, these yellow lines, to ensure that there should be the right social distancing when people come and form queues outside the temple. This is the path that leads into the main area, and there will be a sanitization tunnel that will be built over here. There is a board on top also that talks about all of these measures and alerts every visitor that will be coming here. Now, every person coming inside the temple will be thermally scanned. Only then they will be allowed to enter. Everybody should be wearing a mask. Everybody will have to maintain a feet of social distance between them. Apart from that, only 5 to 10 people will be allowed in the temple at a given point of time. Now, this is a temple where hundreds and hundreds of people come on a usual day, but this time not more than 5 to 10 visitors at a given point of time. Apart from that, there will be no prasad, there will be no distribution of the holy water. People will not be allowed to touch any of the idols inside. They will not be allowed to touch the holy books inside. Those measures have been taken. Apart from that, people above the age of 65 or children below the age of 10 or pregnant women. These are 3 categories of people that will not be allowed to enter the temple. That is something that has been advised even in the MHA guidelines. So these are some measures that have been taken by the temple. Apart from that, all the songs, the holy songs, they will be played only on loudspeakers. There is no gathering, no choirs will be allowed, so people can't come and sing here in groups anymore. Songs only to be played on loudspeakers. So in all possible ways, gatherings are going to be prevented and social distancing will be maintained. In New Delhi with camera person Kanan Patra, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.